To install the soft cab door kit on a RZR XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure the vehicle is in park, and remove the key. Begin by removing any accessory windshield, factory-installed roof, and rear panel if equipped. Only the upper portion of the rear panel needs to be removed. Then open the driver's storage compartment and push the rubber grommet and USB connector through the hole. Remove the 6 fasteners and remove the storage compartment. Next, move on to the passenger compartment and repeat the same process. After removing the compartments, install the cab close-off around the chassis tube on both driver and passenger side. For 2 passenger vehicles, begin by removing and discarding the push-pin rivet from the rear pocket fender. Then align the rear shroud with the RZR. Next, insert 2 fasteners with washers through the rear shroud. After this, place 2 hook clamps into the slots of the rear shroud. Align with the fasteners and secure with nuts. Then insert 1 fastener with a washer through the rear shroud. Next, place a hook clamp into the slot of the rear shroud. Align it with the fastener and secure with a nut. Then counterhold the nuts and torque fasteners to specification. After this, align the front shroud with the RZR. Then insert 1 fastener with washer through the front shroud. Next, place a hook clamp into the slot of the front shroud. Align with the fastener and secure with a nut. Put silicone sealant where the front and rear shroud meets to aid in water sealing. Then insert 1 fastener with washer through the front shroud. After this, hook a J-clip onto the RZR, align with fastener, and secure it with a nut. Next, counterhold the nuts and torque fasteners to specification. Then install a push-pin rivet into the shroud. After this, line up the seal clip onto the shroud and push up to ensure proper seal. To install the upper door, continue by opening the driver's side door. Remove and keep the 9 fasteners from the door panel. Then remove the door panel from the door frame. Then mark the door hinge adjustment locations before removing the fasteners. Remove and keep the 2 rear hinge fasteners. Loosen the 2 front hinge fasteners, but do not remove. Next, install the upper door frame and 2 rear retained hinge fasteners. Then install the 4 fasteners, washers, and nuts to attach the upper door frame to the door frame. Torque to specification. Loosely install the hinge fasteners until in desired position, then torque to specification. To install the door handle, continue by locating the door panel cut line marks. Next, drill 2 holes for the fasteners. Then cut the plastic within the lines of the door handle cut line marks. After this, install the door handle assembly into the door panel and attach with 2 fasteners and nuts. Torque to specification. Then remove and discard the door latch cable. Note orientation of the cable when reinstalling. Next, place the door near the door frame and install the door latch cable onto the inner door actuator and latch. Make sure to secure the door latch cable in the routing clip. Then align the door panel mounting holes with the frame and install the 9 retained fasteners. Torque to specification. After this, close the door. Realign door as necessary. To install the upper door to the lower door, drill 7 holes in the lower door using the upper door as a template. Finally, install 7 push-pin rivets to attach the upper door to the lower door. For vehicle reassembly, reinstall the passenger storage compartment by placing it back into the dashboard. Next, install the 6 fasteners and torque until fully seated. Continue to the driver's side and install the storage compartment into the dashboard and reinstall the rubber grommet and the USB connector. Finally, if removed, reinstall the upper rear panel, factory installed roof, and windshield. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.